Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Former Mamelodi Sundowns wing bafethu uPapi Mpele naye secommentile about recent performances weMamelodi Sundowns laphana. Uthi yena akayibona inkinga kuMamelodi Sundowns. Uthi yes iMamelodi Sundowns ayidlala ibhola elihle leli bona abalijwayele. Uthi-ke but-ke ubani okumele a-blame ngempela lana ucoach noma ama-player overall utshela imedia. Uthi-ke technical ama-player weMamelodi Sundowns agudi, individual uyasho ukuthi bagudi overall, but uthi technically ayi ucoach akekho spot on. Kusho ukuthi ucoach uyahluleka laphana ukucoacha ama-player kahle noma ukubanika ama-technical well ukuba-pinpoint-a kahle in terms ukuthi lese badlale kahle badilive kahle. Kusho ukuthi ucoach ucomplicate izinto owenza ama-player angadlali kahle. Uthi uyabona ukuthi ama-player laphana awanayo i-confidence, bakubonakala ngathi ama-players alahla ithawula, awamthembi ucoach laphana overall. Uthi honestly-ke i-starting 11 saka-coach asisebenzi. Uthi-ke kumele ucoach aselecthe ama-players lawa a-favour ama-fans, oMusa Libusa, oPeter Shalulile. Uthi if-ke uyaluza ngalama-player lawa and then akekho umuntu ngempela ozomkhomba ngemino athi udlalisele umuntu lo awudlalisanga ngalo. Uthi cabanga uShalulile ubuya laphana ku-national team yakhe eNamibia, ushaya 3 goals laphana kuNamibia ku-international break, but-ke mebuya ku-international break uMiguel Carosa akamdlalisi at all in terms of like kuma-starting 11. Uthi as a coach uthi ngeke uye kuMamelodi Sundowns uzame ukudlala ama-crosses kuMamelodi Sundowns. Akuyona i-DNA yeMamelodi Sundowns ukudlala le bhola leli uMiguel Cardoso alidlalayo. Uyaconclude uMbhele bafowethu. I think iningi lethu siyabona ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns obvious ayidlali, i-fluidity yakhona iyaleka even when they win some of the games, but akusiyo iMamelodi Sundowns lesiyaziyo, so ileka kuma-department amaningi ekumele walungise. I think I won't forget the game against iStellenbosch, iMamelodi Sundowns i-defender. Angazi ngabona iMamelodi Sundowns i-defender isikhathi esingaka. uMiguel Cardoso afaka ama-defender extra ukuthi wonke umuntu a-defende leyo 1 goal. It was just sad to see iMamelodi Sundowns edlala kanjalo. So kusho ukuthi ucoach weMamelodi Sundowns uyahluleka and ama-questions uyabuzwa ukuthi hayibo kwenzakalani ngempela ngocoach weMamelodi Sundowns. Ama-fans-ke so like ama-fans are-divided about uMiguel Cardoso, but abaningi engiwabonayo ama-comment abathi hayi akahambe uMiguel Cardoso, ayikho indaba yakhe, uyahluleka laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. Bathi bona they don't mind ukuthi baluza ama-game, but indlela abaluza ngayo yiyo inkinga enkulu laphana bafowethu, ukuthi hayi baluza kabuhlungu, nanokuthi noma bawini convincingly. Bayadlala kwamanye ama-game ba-on and off, khona la badlala khona baphinde bangadlali. So akusi i-team overall le bona bayi-recognize-ayo from the past previous coaches, noma kuthiwa ama-coaches awo bewadliwa at some point, but-ke ibhola bebalidlala bafowethu beligudi ngempela. uMiguel Cardoso-ke uluza i-fan base yeMamelodi Sundowns. Ama-fans amanye even e-stadium afuna ukumisa amabhasi, awisa izinto, a-furious ngempela ama-fans athi uMiguel Cardoso akahambe. Abantu ba-expect ukuthi uMiguel Cardoso bam-announce ukuthi uyahamba, but-ke for me I don't know if uMiguel Cardoso bazomjaja nge-Champions League le ezoqala or kanjani, but what I would say ukuthi if beku-black coach ophefoma kanje ngabe sexoshiwe kuMamelodi Sundowns, so yeah, but-ke uMiguel Cardoso uyakwazi ukucomplaina nanokugrizina. I saw him njalo medliwe uzokutshela ukuthi badominate igame, yibo bebadominate, unfortunately-ke abakwazanga ukukora. Uyakwazi yena ukukhipha nkosi yami ehlathini, uyakwazi ukucasha futhi. Mewinile uzombona ibhile une-arrogance in a way. Makadliwe-ke he can't take a loss, by the way, mangimbuka. But yeah, akusiyi coach for mina, akusiyi coach ulokhunjana engihloniphayo overall. And mangibheka i-record lakhe akanalo i-record elihle. Asazi ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns yabonani, because it's not a proven winner ukuthi uwina ama-cups. No, wawina i-league kuMamelodi Sundowns, i-league vele in a way for bona it's given. It's not like ukuthi wenza into abangayazi. Wafika already bawina i-league 7 times, 7 in a row, so ayikho into abalethe yona 18 nkosi yami. Bayamnika ama-player lawo awafunayo. What is star bafowethu, Nuno Santos ayi-superstar umjitayi. Basayine i-player ngempela eli-super powerful, eli-super skillful, i-player elihlakaniphe kakhulu. But-ke ku-system kaMiguel Cardoso la maybe I believe ukuthi maybe ama-Portuguese coaches azomsiza, asazi ngempela. we just have to wait and see sibone ukuthi indaba kaMiguel Cardoso nemamelodi Sundowns izophelelaphi, because i-trust ngempela ayikho kuMiguel Cardoso. Even it's not even ama-fans kuphela, even nama-players. Uqinisile uMbele methi i-trust ngathi ayikho laphana, because uMiguel Cardoso uhlalisa nabo Mokoena ebhentshini at some point, ubone na ukuthi ayiziyakhala ngempela, u-confused naye akasazi nokuthi enzeni because ama-results awafiki kuye. Already u-knocked, bamshaye ku-knockout competition, ku-culling out, ku-MTN8 out. So I mean, it's not a good thing for iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ingacompete ingafiki nokufika ku-finali. Hayi, kodwa hayi sobona bafethu, cause uma udlala kuMamelodi Sundowns kune-DNA yeMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi badominate kanjani ibhola, ukuthi kumele badlale kanjani. But-ke this season it seems like i-rhythm ye-team idrobhile. They are still winning some of the games, yes, but-ke iMamelodi, abantu bakhala nge-style seMamelodi Sundowns kakhulu, because bona badlala ibhola elihle bafethu. That is why bababiza kabafana ba-style, yabo. So it's not just nje ukuthi ucoach iMamelodi Sundowns enokuwina ama-games. No, coach iMamelodi Sundowns edlala ibhola elihle, ene-style sayo. It's very important to have your own style, your own identity. iMamelodi Sundowns, they've built that throughout the years, ukuthi bane-identity yabo bona, indlela yabo yokudlala overall. So uMbele bafethu une-point la ukuthi ama-player individual are good but technically kusho ukuthi ucoach uyahluleka. So i-statement heavy mawusibheka, because iMamelodi Sundowns ibuildwa nge-technical intelligence. So if there's no intelligence ibholeni lamaMamelodi Sundowns, then akusiyo iMamelodi Sundowns le esiyaziyo. Uma ngiyibukela iMamelodi Sundowns, I can sense frustration kuMamelodi Sundowns players inside the field of play. Even into ey'ncane nje, nama-former players, khona lo osebenzela i-soccer beat bafethu, naye uhlezi ekhuluma same thing ukuthi hayi man, there's something off ngempela lapha, khona into eshodayo. I mean, talking point enkulu kuPeter Shalulile, i-record goal scorer leMamelodi Sundowns, bamentionile na ukuthi lo muntu ushaya 3 goals le ku-national team yakhe, but uMiguel Cardoso mebuya akamdlalise. I mean, there was a game la afaka umfana omncane, ubani, uBennett Mokoena, umfana lo ubuya ku-DDC team, ongakabi ne-experience yakuthi uya ku-PSL, ushaye 4 goals, I think opening or second weekend of i-DDC team or i-Diski Challenge. Guess what, wabizwa laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. Manje sepromota noma sejimisa ama-youngsters abuye laphana ku-DDC team amaningi kakhulu bafethu. Asazi ukuthi usezama ngokucasha ngabo nala bafana labo ukuthi angaxoshwa laphana emsebenzini wakhe, because umsebenzi wakhe kuzoba nzima kakhulu. Peter Shalulile Mambheka is not just a striker bafethu, isimbilo of i-consistency laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, nanokuthi udelive kakhulu. So mawubheka i-strike esi-top kakhulu bafethu, esikwazi ukukora local, international, when is coming from the bench. Confidence kaShalulile, as much as anayo confidence, but uhlala kakhulu ebhenchini, confidence yakhe naye iyadropa umfana. Mhlampe uyasola ukuthi why angaphushanga for i-move kuMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi amove away, because bekubonakala ukuthi okay, akekho kuma-plans that much kaMiguel Cardoso, because uMiguel Cardoso since isikhathi udlalisa uMothibo, yabona uMothibo is not a proven goal scorer ebholeni lase-South Africa, like uyi-traditional number 9 yase-Europe. Sikhumbule ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns, you gotta have a bit of i-flair ukuthi ukwazi ukudlala kangconywana ku-Sundowns. Why ngisho kanje? Mawubheka ama-player amaningi alaphana, even some of their strikers, ulo who's this guy, uReyners, akanayo that flair, but-ke ihanga inkani yakhe, what he gives to iMamelodi Sundowns, i-push yakhe i-serious ngempela bafethu. So play, I mean, you gotta have something, and kumele udlale nge-style sabo laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns. Ama-midfielder wakhona akumelanga be-stagnant. There's a flair, but yena ufika ngebhola lakho ukuthi ufuna ukudefend isikhathi esiningi, washaya 1 ufuna ukudefend uMiguel Cardoso akanesikhathi. So yeah, technical problem overall mayichaza lana ulona ukuthi seems like ama-player awamthembi ucoach, i-red flag enkulu le ukuthi i-dressing room mayiqala ukuluza ilokhunjana i-confidence kucoach, kuya-reflecta ema-performances weMamelodi Sundowns inside the field of play. Ukhumbule ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns bafethu inama-player top kakhulu, Alendo Mokoena, uModiba. Last season beyine-superstar uLucas Ribeiro. Nosales is a good player, but mubheka noma mesibheka overall, hayi khona into off, noma singeke sazi ukuthi yini, but khona into off. Ngeke udlale kuMamelodi Sundowns ngama-crosses ngathi une-strike eside esigude ngokuheli. kuMamelodi Sundowns ibhola lidla utshani until-ke lize lifike le phambili. On the ball or off the ball movement i-great inkulu kakhulu. So I mean, contribution yabo bafethu, or they wabadlala ngakhona ebholeni lase-South Africa, they've been the best team for the past 10 years. But under Miguel Cardoso, we're not seeing that. Like Mamelodi Sundowns eleka izinto laphana is-serious. Like iyaleka. They have to be Mamelodi Sundowns lethi nesiyazo lesijwayele, but-ke Miguel Cardoso kazeke mabamgcina uzokwazi ukudeliver. But njengoba bengishilo, is not a proven winner that guy. Umuntu oluzayo ongakaze awina icup, oqala ukuwina icup ngeMamelodi Sundowns. Liphi icup le i-league, is not like ukuthi i-league into mhlawumbe abangayazi njengoba bengishilo ukuthi into abayiwinayo. Akahlali emathimini isikhathi esiningi laphana uMiguel Cardoso. Ulokhu njani, uhlala nje isikhashana ahambe. Unyaka uhlala nje lowo nyaka or less than unyaka sehambile. But kuMamelodi Sundowns so far so good. Well, it's not good, but ukwazile ukusurvive until manje. Even when the public or the fans abamthembi, but iMamelodi Sundowns kubonakala ngathi isamthemba because ayeke kamxoshi, usahleli. Ama-fans, but they were expecting ukuthi uMiguel Cardoso ahambe. Sisurvive into eziyi-2 because he was knocked out kwe-MTN 80, bacomplain ama-fans, bavimba ini. Batshela ne-management yamaMelodi Sundowns, i-president, ukuthi hayi basamfuni lo muntu akahambe. Bablokha amabhasi, but still uMiguel Cardoso uhleli. Yeah, we just have to wait and see sibone ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns uzo-react-a kanjani ekugcineni bafethu, but-ke they have to make a decision laphana. And sikhumbule ukuthi uMiguel Cardoso ufike nge-style sakhe ukuthi uzokwenza izinto kanjani laphana noma uzodlala kanjani. Ama-player beku-difficult even ukuthi ba-renew-e i-contract kaThemba Zwane as i-club legend. Why? Because uMiguel Cardoso bekafila ngathi uThemba Zwane ngeke bamdinge, azange amdlalise naku-final available. Cabanga, is it i-final or is it before lapho? Yeah, heading to i-final uThemba Zwane kukhona ama-match crucial angazange adlale. Khona la ngene khona babonisa ukuthi okay, I'm still Themba Zwane, I can still deliver, I can still perform, but after lokho he disappeared yet again. Baze bambuyisa ku-FIFA Club World Cup la performe kahle kakhulu uThemba Zwane. Fortunately ama-injuries yiwo lawa amhlalise ngaphandle, njengoba simbona namanje ukuthi udila ne-injury, but-ke uyarecovera, kubonakala ngathi uzobuya maduzane uThemba Mshishi Zwane. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Simaking sure bafethu ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.